Hello friends and welcome back to Mystical Ventures, and yesterday's vlog is a short trip that I went to Mangalore. So let's begin with the vlog. So here this was early in the morning. I woke up at 5 o'clock because my train was at 7:30 or something like that. But then it was 10 minutes later. And then here I woke up and I made my black coffee, which I can't do without. And then I tried to make some this Caesar chicken rolls. That is I'll be taking while I'm traveling. That will be as my breakfast as well as my lunch also, because I'll be arriving in Mangalore maybe somewhere around 1:30 or something. So like I say, beach mein kha lunga. So then I made 3 chicken rolls, chicken Caesar rolls, and then ye chakli, and then 1 glass of wine, and then my goggles, and then these are some miniature perfumes and deodorants. And then my selfie stick, and then वो मैगी वाला बॉक्स में I don't tell कुछ चीज़ें हर चीज़ बतानी नहीं आती. So this is my mobile pouch is in the sense all my mobiles are always kept in this, and my data cable and my charger and the sockets are kept in it. So then I'd have to not fidget my entire bag searching for my mobile where it is. That's always intact in that. तो ये लो अपना झोला लेके अपन चल पड़े, अपना लगेज बैग लेके. So here on my scooter I kept my luggage, and wow, see the sky, it is so welcoming. I mean so mesmerizing, like you know, अच्छा vibe तो मिल रहा था मुझे. And here in the parking slot I kept my scooter parked over here, and then I went walking towards the entrance. I guess the traveling was too much for those passengers who alighted from the train, because they were singing some songs, enjoying themselves. So maybe मन में ऑलरेडी ठान लिया कि चलो गोवा पहुंच गए तो मौज मस्ती चालू करते हैं. And then yeah, I was heading towards the platform number 3. Actually the train was supposed to come on platform number 1, but then I don't know what happens to them. There was no rain, there was nothing, but then they changed and they said the platform will come the train will come on platform number 3. So then I started walking towards the platform number 3. So walking down this lane with a trolley bag is a big headache. So after walking on this modeling ramp, finally I reached on the platform number 3. And this is the same platform where we always catch the train to go to Velangani, I guess. Yeah, platform number 3 pe. And the train came 10-15 minutes late, and then here I settled myself on my seat. And ये ले, अरे भाई थोड़ा हीरोपंती दिखा रहा हूँ. अच्छा बस ज़्यादा हो गया. And then the train left in 10 minutes, because this is Madgaon Junction, right? So they have to stop for 10 minutes extra. Otherwise, on all the immediate stations, they stop only for 2 minutes. Only 2 minutes का halt. तो अंदर आते आते ही मैंने मेरा कॉफ़ी मंगवा लिया. So I took a coffee. तो ये लो मैंने मेरा खजाने का पिटारा खोल दिया. Yeah, this is my chicken Caesar roll. So then I started hogging on my chicken Caesar roll, and then I was enjoying the nature and looking at all this. And then came Karwar station. So I just clicked some station glimpse over here, because कुछ memories के लिए और थोड़ा vlog बढ़ाने के लिए. And then ये आ गया अपना मामू, TC मामू आ गया. So then मेरा टिकट चेक, मतलब टिकट चेक भी नहीं किया, सिर्फ उसने नाम पूछा and हो गया यार. He did not ask any पैन कार्ड, आधार कार्ड, ये कार्ड, फलाना कार्ड, रेशन कार्ड, कुछ नहीं पूछा. And now over here since the train was empty, तो थोड़ा पोजिंग कर लिया. ये देख, हाय हाय हाय, ओए होए होए, हाँ अभी बस कर, ओवर एक्टिंग हो गया बस. So many of my friends think that I don't know to read Kannada or speak Kannada. So here, this is for y'all. So this is Bhatakal. Bhatkal. Got it? Now next time don't judge me on my this capabilities that I cannot read and write. In Kannada, not other language. So here I ordered for a tea for me, but just see किस अदा से मतलब he opens the tea bag. Yeah, what style यार, मतलब फिदा हो गया अपन. And then yeah, I took a tea because I am tea and coffee का दीवाना. मतलब कौन सा भी मतलब महीना हो, maybe any month of the year. So now here, like the other regular vloggers, even I was trying to show off, like you know, ऐसे dip करके you sip over a tea and then ऐसे ख्यालों में खो जाते हैं. But unfortunately I could not go in any khayal, I could not go into any deep meditation. So then the train halted at Udupi, and then now this is at Mangalore Junction. This is now where we all were alighting from the train. And then I just try to capture myself on the ramp walk. And then this is the exterior of the Mangalore station, and then I tried to get a little more glimpse from outside how it really looks. And then my Christopher Mamu and my cousin Conrad, they came and they picked me, and then we were on our way back to go home. So then we halted at the Reliance Trend supermarket, and really the vegetables and the fruits were looking really very fresh. So yeah, I was just loitering around the supermarket just to capture some glimpse for all my viewers. And to give a brief about it is like, you know, abhi dekho Mangalore is like, you know, village area. Even like in Belgaum and all, everywhere like, you know, Reliance Mart is there and everything. But abhi tak Goa mein nahi aaya hai. Like even I prefer shopping in D-Mart and all. And I especially go traveling that side. But abhi tak Goa mein it's not there. So it is, I don't know why Goa is lacking a lot when it comes to development. When something which is very good for pocket friendly, I don't know why that is not coming so soon. Otherwise rest everything is developing. No sooner we reached home, Conrad started clearing of the grass from the surrounding of the house because he was afraid that I might get bitten by some reptile or something while capturing videos for my vlog. मैं क्या बोल रहा था? हाँ है, दिखा दिखा मेरे को। देखा मैं। नहीं मेरा टिकट मिल गया। मिल गया ने बंद है, फादर ने बोला है। So now here, this is our family tradition. We have to make time every night. We make a point that after dinner and like, you know, we sit and we play Ludo. मतलब किसी का चुगली करना, बैक पिचिंग अबाउट सामान एंड ऑल वो हमसे होता नहीं है, तो अपन एक दूसरे को ही लाइक नो डस के घर के अंदर वापस बेच देते हैं। हेलो गाइस, वी आर प्लेइंग लूडो, किंग लूडो। आई एम द विनर। नो, आई एम द विनर। आई एम ये देख कितने सीरियस है अपन, मतलब इंडिया पाकिस्तान के मैच में भी इतने सीरियस नहीं होते अपन।
तो कॉन्ड्रेट जादू करता है सर पे।
सेफ्टी पे सेफ्टी चला ले ले।
So this is how every night we all family members after dinner we all sit and we play Ludo. किसी की अपन को पड़ी नहीं है क्योंकि दुनिया गई भाड़ में, अपन अपने ही मौज में. So till then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. That is Mystical Ventures. Thank you.